I'm Bella.
And I'm Jella.
Today, join us on our
Activity.
Join us on our activity. We're going to a Halloween party.
Party and pasyal on our amusement park. We're gonna have so fun. See you there. Hi, we're already here. At the park, makeup. Makeup. I love country.
We arrived at our tita's office in Mall of Asia, and she registered us for the Halloween party.
This is their auditorium where the party will happen.
Tita Joyce will show us around their office. They are all prepared for the trick or treat.
Wow, more candies for us. Now we're about to prepare our costume. Guess what it is?
As a Mall of Asia,
Our Tita Joyce's office. And today we're going to turn to fairy. We are now fairies. Let's go. Now the fairies are ready to party. There is a view of Manila Bay in her office. Mommy, can I swim?
we're back at the auditorium. There's a lot of participants this year. That's why there is no more seats available.
The Hatiks are here. Woohoo! Hatiks.
And Gino from Sandra Boys is here to sing Soda Pop. My little Soda Pop.
Now the fun starts. It's trick or treat time. Come on, Natabala, let's go collect all the candy.
Okay, let's go over there. This is the 4th time we joined their yearly trick or treat. Every year it's always fun and exciting.
This year we dressed up as fairies. On the past years, we dressed up as princesses, superheroes, witch, and pumpkin. And I'm a baby pumpkin.
Almost all the kids here are dressed up as their favorite characters. We saw princesses, superheroes, K-pop demon hunters, vampire, Wednesday, Woody, and a lot more.
As a Mall of Asia's office is so big, we get a little bit tired, but that's okay because we got a lot of treats. Hey, Atalala, what is your best treat that you have received?
I like the bubbles and even the Chucky and also the toys there. How about you, Angela?
I like the bubbles, the toys, and the gummies, the treats, and the lollies. So here's when we get the donut, and it's so yummy.
We walk over there We get some loot bags and cinnamon roll bags with candy. And then we take photo there and we get candy and then we saw Rumi.
And then we also have more candies, and these people are very kind, so they gave us many candies. And we also have more and more candies, and then we saw, that's what it is, an avatar. And then we have more and more candy, and it's so many that we put it on our tita's bag. And there's Asada boys and some hunter eggs, K-pop demon hunters. So we pictured with hunters and Sada boys, and we also played on Monkey D. Luffy's boat. So fun!
After the Halloween party, we went to Pasyal in MOA Sky. Unfortunately, it rained. Part of our activity today is to go to that amusement park, but the rain didn't stop. So Mommy said we'll just stay inside the mall. We will just go there next time.
We went inside the Popmart store, and there's many dolls like a big Space Molly, Skull Panda, and a big Labubu. And there's so much more. This is a blind box, and you can see it at Popmart or maybe more stuff. More stores. And these are the characters you can collect. And I like
I want that.
Yeah, I want all of that.
What's that?
It's a charm. It's a charm. It's a charm. Big one.
It's gonna buy you, Mama. Just one, ah.
I wish it was smaller. Here at the Ikea store, where all of the furnitures are. Ikea is a big store located in Assam Mall of Asia.
It showcases furnitures like beds, couches, tables, and chairs, bathroom and kitchen tools, and a lot more. So many styles to choose from.
So now we're here at Ikea, and me and Ate Bella tried many sofas, and it's so cozy and soft. And we even saw some monkeys.
Play with it.
And we play with it, yeah.
Yeah.
And
It's cozy.
it's so cuddly, and we tried this bed, and
It's also
so
comfy for us to sleep on.
And this is my favorite room. This should be my future room because it has a name on it. My name on it.
Yeah, it's so nice.
And this might be my sister's room.
After a long day of walking, running, and playing, it's time to eat our dinner. We're so hungry, right?
I'm also hungry. Let's eat.
Yummy.
Hi guys, we are now home from the Halloween party, and look at all the stuff we got. It's so fun, and I want to play with the bubble. And there's so many more stuff here, and there's also many more stuff. And we also got gifts and more gifts.
What's inside?
And we are so happy. Thank you, Tita Joy.
Thank you, Tita Joyce, for inviting us to the Halloween
And
party.
also many gifts. I want to open it now.
Are you tired?
Yes, super tired, but we have to very super long. Share this with our cousins and friends because we cannot finish them.
Oh, very good.
I'd like to thank all of the kind and generous people who make this event successful.
We hope we could see you next year.
Thank you guys for your time watching our video.
Hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.